this problem we want to factor. We got x to the fourth. Oops, I guess I better clear my tablet. Okay. X to the fourth minus 13x squared plus 36. Now this is the u substitution. The reason why I know it's a u substitution is we take our variable part minus the coefficient, minus the number in front. So we take the middle part, which is x squared. If we take the second power, if it gives us the first part here, that's the u substitution. Well, x squared to the second power gives us x to the fourth. So step one, we let the middle part be u and the first part be u squared. So this becomes excuse me, u squared minus 13u plus 36. Step 2, factor like normal. Well, I start going through my techniques. GCF, they don't have anything in common. Groupings, 4 more terms. PSD, 3 terms. We have x squared, or u squared, u, no number in front of the u squared. So with the PSD, we take the number at the end, which is a 36, ignoring signs. So if it had been a negative 36, we'd still just go with 36. We write down all products give us 36. Well, we got 1 times 36, 2 times 18, 3 times 12, 4 times 9, and 6 times 6. In the S column, we want to add these numbers together. 1 plus 36 is 37, 2 plus 18 is 20, 3 plus 12 is 15, 4 plus 9 is 13, 6 plus 6 is 12. And the difference column, we want to subtract smaller from larger. 36 minus 1 is 35, 18 minus 2 is 16, 12 minus 3 is 9, 9 minus 4 is 5, 6 minus 6 is 0. The number we're looking for is a number off of our middle term, which is 13, which is here. So we're going to use 4 and 9. Now our larger number in the P column that we're using, which is a 9, is always going to be the same sign as the middle term, which is negative. The number we circled is in the S column, S for same sign. Since the 9 is negative, then the 4 will be negative. Step 3 of the u substitution. Plug u equals blank back in. Well, in this particular problem, we said u was equal to x squared. So we'll plug that back in. We've got x squared minus 4 and x squared minus 9. Now we want to simplify these further. And as I look at each set of parentheses, I got 2 terms of minusing it. That's dots. Difference 2 squares. 2 terms of minus between them. We're going to try to rewrite each one as something squared minus something else squared. I'll do the same thing on this one. X times x gives us x squared. 2 times 2 gives us 4. So I'm going to label this as F, what's in my first set of parentheses. I'll label this as L, what's in my last set of parentheses. Our formula for difference 2 squares is F plus L times F minus L. So that's going to give us x plus 2 and x minus 2. Now for our second one, the x squared minus 9. X times x gives us x squared. 3 times 3 gives us 9. Again, I'll label what's inside the first set of parentheses F for first. I'll label what's inside the last set of parentheses L for last. And it's the same formula, F plus L, F minus L, which is going to give us x plus 3 and x minus 3. And that would be your answer.